Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will see about the concept of shallow copying and deep copying, two important techniques for working with data structures in Python. What is shallow copying? Shallow copying creates a new object but does not create copies of the nested objects. Instead, it copies references to the nested objects. This means the changes made to the nested objects in the copied object will also affect the original object. Example of shallow copying. This code demonstrates how to create a shallow copy of a list in Python. The original list is a list containing two sublists 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. The copied list equal to original underscore list dot copy. It creates a new list objects of copied underscore list. That is a shallow copy of original list. A shallow copy means while the top level list is copied, the inner sublist are not duplicated. Instead, both original list and copied list will reference the same inner sublist 1, 2, 3 and the next sublist 4, 5, 6. Both original list and copied list point to the same inner sublist 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So, modifying one will affect the another one. Next, deep copying. Deep copying creates a new object and recursively copies all nested objects within it. This ensures that changes made to the copied object do not affect the original object. Next, we have example of deep copying. We can use the copy.deepCopy functions from the copy module to perform deep copying. Here, modifying an element in the nested list of deep copied list will not affect the corresponding element in original list. This code demonstrates the use of copy module in Python to perform a deep copy of the list of list. Import copy imports the copy module in Python. This module provides a function called deep copy that creates a new object by recursively copying the objects found in the original. Next, we have original list. This line initializes a list, original list that contains two subtitles, sublist 1, 2, 3 and the another one 4, 5, 6. Next, deep copied list equal to copy.deepCopy original list. This line creates the deep copy of the original list using the deep copy functions from the copy module. A deep copy duplicates the original list and all of its nested objects recursively. Therefore, the resulting deep copied list is a new list object with a new sublist that are copies of the sublist in original list. Both original list and deep copied list contain identical elements, but they are separate objects in memory. Modifying one list will not affect the another, as each has its own distinct set of sublists. When to use shallow copying versus deep copying. Shallow copying is sufficient when dealing with simple data structures like lists and dictionaries. Deep copying is necessary when dealing with nested data structures or when you need to create independent copies of objects. So, shallow copying and deep copying are important techniques for working with data structures in Python. Understanding when to use each technique is essential for writing efficient and bug-free code. Thank you.